Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give introduction about the polynomials, which is a chapter 3 in the 10th grade. Let me start with some good lines. Winners are ordinary people with extraordinary determination. So, hope you understood. You catch my point. All winners are ordinary like you and me, but their determination uh, behind the thinking is very strong. Okay. So now let's see the definition of this polynomials. Definition. An algebraic expression with a non-negative integral powers. With a non-negative integral powers is called polynomial. An algebraic expression which involves variables, right? So with the non-negative integral powers is called as a polynomials. Getting into the details, non-negative integral powers means we know all integers. Integers are nothing but from negative infinity to positive infinity, right? So non-negative integral powers. So remove these negatives. So all this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So all these integral powers, an expression which contains all these integral powers is called as a polynomial. Example, 3x square plus 5. So this contains a variable x, unknown value. Okay, and having a power. See which power? Non-negative integral power. So this is one good example for polynomial. And suppose like this, 4 divided by x plus 3. So what is this? We can write 1 by x is nothing but x power minus 1 plus 3. See here the variable x is having a minus 1. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Next. Another example like 3 root x plus 5. Okay. So let's see, is this a polynomial? No. 3x power 1 by 2. Root x is nothing but 1 by 2. Power 1 by 2. So according to our definition, it should be a non-negative integral power, but 1 by 2 is a rational number, right? So this is also not polynomial. Okay. Even though it is a positive, but it is not a integer. So it is not a polynomial. Hope you understood the definition. Let's get into the degree of the polynomial. What is degree of the polynomial? Yeah. The highest power of the term in the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Highest power of the term. An algebraic expression contains many terms, right? 3x cube plus 4xy plus 2x power 5. Okay, like this. A polynomial contains many terms. Terms are separated with plus or minus sign. Here, how many terms we have? 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. So in this, the highest power of the term. So the degree of the term is 3 here. Sorry, the power of this term is 3. And the power of this term is 1 plus 1, 2. And the power of this term is 5. So which is the highest power in 3, 2, 5? 5 is the highest power. So this will become the degree of the polynomial. Okay. Next. Coming to the bullet points, degree of constant polynomial is 0. Degree of constant polynomial is 0. What is constant polynomial? A polynomial which contains a constant alone. Constant means numbers. Variables means alphabet or symbols. Okay. So degree of the constant polynomial is 0. For example, a polynomial contains just 3. So what is the degree of this? Degree is 0. Because any variable power 0 is 1. For example, I think here x power 0 is there. X power 0 value is 1. 1 into 3 is again your answer is 3. So degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Okay. Next. Degree of 0 polynomial. Degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. Why? For example, a polynomial which contains only 0. Okay. So, degree of this 0. 0 into something is 0 only, right? So, beside this 0, you may keep x power 6 also. Beside this 0, you may keep the product of y power 9 also. Anything you keep, the answer is 0 only here. So, we can't predict what is the degree of this polynomial. Okay, because the original value of this original variable or original power we can't predict. That's the reason degree of the polynomial is not defined. Okay. Next one. If degree of a polynomial is 1, it is called linear polynomial. It is called linear polynomial. Okay. So degree of the polynomial is 1. The highest power of the term is 1. Then it is linear polynomial. Let's see the standard form. How can we put it? Standard form. The standard form of the linear polynomial is ax plus b. Here a and b belongs to real numbers. They both are real numbers. And a should not be equal to 0. Why? Because if a becomes 0, 0 into something is 0, this term will be vanished. Only b will be left. B is nothing but it's a constant. It will become a constant polynomial, not the linear polynomial. That is the reason a should not be equal to 0. Next, if degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c. This is a polynomial, okay? So here the highest power is 2. Power of this term is 2. Okay, here 3 coefficients are there, a, b, c, which belongs to real numbers. Any number you can take. And same, a should not be equal to 0. This first coefficient, x square coefficient should not be equal to 0. Next, if degree of polynomial is 3, then we call it as a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. See here the highest power is 3. So this is cubic polynomial. Here also a, b, c, d belongs to real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. So this is how, based upon the degree, we can give a different names to that polynomial, special names to that polynomial. Now, let's learn the standard form of polynomial. What is the standard form of polynomial? If a polynomial p of x is there, a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2, so on, plus a n minus 1 x power x plus a n. Okay. So here the highest is n. So this is called nth degree polynomial. Nth degree polynomial. And same case, a naught should not be equal to 0. And here a naught, a1, a2, a3, so on are the real coefficients. They are real coefficients. Okay. Next. What is the value of the polynomial? Suppose a polynomial is there. 3x square plus 5. 3x square plus 5. So, what is the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 0? So, p of 0 you need to find out. 3 times of, instead of x, substitute 0. So, what it will become? 0 into something is 0, 0 plus 5. So, 5. So, value of this polynomial near x is equal to 0 is a 5. So, value means it's a nothing but substituting the given x value. Okay. That will become, so by substituting that x value, you will get to know the value of a polynomial. Next, zeros. Very important. Zeros of a polynomial. For which value of x the given polynomial becomes 0, that is called zero of the polynomial. For which value of x the given polynomial becomes 0 is called zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Suppose, example we'll see. P of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. So, here x is equal to 3 comma minus 1 comma 2. So, let's substitute. So, P of 3 in place of x, let's substitute 3. 3 square minus 2 times of 3 minus 3. 3 square is 9. 2 3 is 6 minus 3. So 9 minus 9, this is 9 minus 9 is 0. So when you substitute x value as a 3, this polynomial became 0. So hence 3 is called as a 0 of the polynomial. In the same way, you can test minus 1, you can test 2. If the value of this polynomial is coming 0, then they are called as the zeros of a polynomial. So I hope you understand each and every concept in this. This will be very helpful for solving the exercises. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you.